In this tutorial, we will cover the if function in Excel. Please open file 01 if function. One of the most popular functions in Excel is the if function. The if function evaluates a condition and returns one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. For example, you could have Excel look at the values in a column of order totals and return yes if the quota is met and no if the quota isn't met. Insert an if function. Go and click on cell E2 as we're going to insert our formula here. Go up to the ribbon and click on the Formulas tab. On the left in the function library, we want to go and find where the if function is. You can use insert function and then do a search for where you want for the if function. In this case, we know it's a logical function, so go ahead and click on logical. And the third one down is the if function. Click on if. This opens up your function arguments window. You'll see the syntax for the if function uses logical test, value if true, and value if false. Notice that logical text is bolded. This means that something must be in that box for the function to work. Logical test can be any value or expression that can be evaluated to true or false. Value if true, this is where the value that is returned if the logical test is true. If you don't have anything in that box, it will return the word true in capital letters. Value if false is where the value will be returned if the logical test is false. If you omit anything in that box, it will return the word false in capital letters. Go ahead and click in logical test box and let's evaluate if D2, go and click on cell D2, is greater than 2000. Press your tab key. You'll see to the right it shows you that it's going to be false. Let's set it up for all of our functions. So if you would, in the value if true box, I want it to return the word yes. Since I want to return the word yes, I'll need to put that in quotes. So type in quote, yes, and close your quote. Press your tab key or click in the value if true box and click in the value if false box. Let's type in no, so put in quotes no and close your quotes. And you'll see down to the left it shows you the formula result that gets returned. In this case is no. Click OK once you've got the function arguments inputted, and you'll see that in cell E2 it returns no. Rather than having to retype this over and over and rebuild your formulas over and over, we can use our autofill in the lower right-hand corner of cell E2. Put your pointer on the autofill and you'll see it turns to a little black cross. Click and drag that down to E10 and it will fill in the results for all of the other rows. As you can see, the if function calculates and returns your values based on evaluation of the logical test. Please note you can nest or combine up to 7 if functions in a given formula.